If you can type a sentence into a chat box, you are about 3 moves away from design cheat codes that used to take agencies' entire teams to pull off. Today, I am going to show you how to turn Nano Banana Pro plus Gemini 3 into what I call your Polyframe design engine, so you can spin up real client-ready graphics in any language, even if you are not a designer. And yes, I am talking about stuff you can actually get paid for, not just pretty mood boards. My name is Paul James, and on this channel I share the kind of leverage I wish I had back when I was working from my brother's garage, going to college full-time, and trying to start a business with almost no time or money. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training. And no, I am not trying to sell you go high level. Let's talk about why this matters before we touch a single setting. Traditional design is slow. You open Canva or Figma, drag a few shapes, tweak fonts, export, realize the text is wrong, go back, move layers, export again. Then the client says, can we see that in Spanish and German and Japanese? You already know how that story ends. You either spend your entire weekend redoing the same layout in different languages, or you give up and paste in random lorem ipsum just to show something. Here is where most people quietly burn out. They do not hate design, they hate repetition. Meanwhile, the people who learn how to stack tools like Nano Banana Pro with Gemini 3 stop building every pixel by hand. They describe what they want. The system does 80% of the heavy lifting. So I built a simple framework around this combo that you can copy. I call it the Polyframe design engine. It is 3 steps: text frame, style frame, truth frame. Once you get this, you will never look at static templates the same way again. Let's walk through it in plain English. First, the text frame. This is where Nano Banana Pro plus Gemini 3 completely changes the game. Instead of fighting with warped letters or broken menus, you let the model handle dense, accurate wording for you. Think about something simple, like a pricing sheet for a social media manager. You need package names, bullet points, guarantees, maybe even a little legal disclaimer. Inside Gemini 3, you write something like, use Nano Banana Pro to design a clean, minimal pricing sheet for a social media manager. Use this exact text. Then you paste the copy. You can give it a loose reference image too. Maybe a screenshot of a layout you like, or a sketch you made with pen and paper. Hit generate, and Nano Banana Pro gives you a layout where the words are actually readable and spelled correctly. No mangled headlines, no random characters. Here is the subtle part most people miss. You do not just have one version of that content, you have a multilingual engine now take that same finished design, upload it again, ask, keep the layout the same, translate everything to Brazilian Portuguese, or any language you need. Suddenly the freelancer in you sees it. You can offer multi-language brand packs without hiring translators or rebuilding every asset. Now here is the twist. You can run that same translation for product manuals, workshop slides, even restaurant menus, but we will keep the examples original here. Second part of the Polyframe design engine is the style frame. This is the part designers use to guard like a secret spell book. Nano Banana Pro lets you invent ridiculous amounts of typography and visual styles in seconds. You are not stuck scrolling through a list of system fonts anymore. You can decide, I want the word spark to look like it is built from neon light tubes, or I want the word harvest to look like it is woven from wheat. You describe it. Nano Banana Pro turns that into art. Want a whole alphabet in a techie sci-fi style for a gamer brand? Tell it. Create a complete uppercase alphabet in a sleek holographic style, suitable for an esports logo. It generates a full letter sheet. You can even specify colors, lighting, camera angle. Most people never realize you can then turn that letter sheet into a real font with other tools and use it in Canva, Figma, or your client's website. That is how you turn a one-time image into an asset that pays you repeatedly. Stay with me, because this next piece is huge. Nano Banana Pro also lets you combine a bunch of visual references at once. Not one, not two, but a whole stack. Think about building a landing page for a yoga instructor. You grab a screenshot of a layout you like, you add a photo of the instructor, you add a poster you found that has colors you love, upload all 3 as references. Then you say, design a homepage hero section for this instructor. Use the layout from the website screenshot, the colors from the poster, and use the instructor's photo as a stylized illustration on the left. Nano Banana Pro looks at all those references and merges them into one coherent design. That is your style frame doing its job. You are basically art directing with words. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I was still in my brother's garage, just trying to make a simple flyer for side work and getting lost in menus and panels. The trick is, you are not trying to learn every button. You are learning how to describe outcomes. Here is where everything clicks. The third part of the Polyframe design engine is the truth frame. This is the part that turns pretty pictures into assets you can actually trust for data or real information. Nano Banana Pro is grounded in Gemini 3, which means you can ask it to design around real research instead of fake filler. Say you want an infographic for a health coach client. You could type, create an infographic explaining the benefits of walking 30 minutes a day for beginners, research current studies, use clear, concise wording, design it in a clean, modern style. Nano Banana Pro pulls from Gemini 3's knowledge to build the content and the visuals together. Now, yes, you still fact check. You can even download that infographic, upload it back into Gemini 3, and ask, check every statement on this infographic for accuracy and suggest corrections. It will call out anything that looks off, then you regenerate a corrected version. No more random lorem ipsum slapped into charts. You are delivering designs that look good and say something true. Quick pattern interrupt here. Imagine handing that to a client. They are used to designers saying, just send me your copy. You show up with a finished piece, plus the research, plus the working files. You instantly feel more like a strategist, less like a pixel pusher. Now let's talk money angles, because this is where a lot of people overcomplicate things. If you are a content creator, Nano Banana Pro gives you a way to batch visual assets that match your personal brand across every platform. You design one carousel template with accurate text and a unique font style you generated. Then you swap in new headlines and topics. You can even tell Gemini 3, generate 5 posts summarizing this YouTube script, then feed those into Nano Banana Pro layouts. You go from staring at a blank Canva document to posting a week of content in an afternoon. If you are a freelancer, you can offer visual translation packages. Take a client's existing brochure or sales page, upload it, and say, recreate this layout. Keep the design language, translate and adapt it for Spanish and Italian audiences. You are not just converting words, you are preserving the visual hierarchy automatically. That is a premium service. For agency owners, the Polyframe design engine becomes a way to scale. You can build a style library for each client. Reference logos, mood boards, previous campaigns, even their founder's headshot. When a new project hits, you load those references, give a clear brief, and Nano Banana Pro gives your team multiple on-brand concepts. Your designers stop redrawing the same banner 16 times. They start curating and refining. And if you are a complete beginner, just trying to make your first online dollar, this combo lets you step into work that used to be reserved for real designers. You can build Etsy printables, you can design digital planners, you can create thumbnail packages for small creators, you describe the outcome, you let the tools handle most of the execution. Here is something the original tutorials almost never show. You're not stuck with flat, uneditable posters. Nano Banana Pro can help you fake layers even though it outputs a single image. You take a finished design, upload it, and say, extract the headline as a separate graphic on a plain white background. Then you do the same for icons, graphs, or illustrations. Now you have clean pieces you can drop into Canva, After Effects, or any editor that supports transparent images. Is it as perfect as a native layered file? Not yet, but it is shockingly close for how fast it is. Let me give you a quick micro story so you can see this as a real workflow. Jenna is a part-time social media manager with 2 local clients, a coffee shop and a small gym. She opens Gemini 3 and builds a Nano Banana Pro prompt once. Create a monthly promo poster template for a local business. Leave space for a photo, a headline, an offer, and a QR code. Use a bold but friendly style. She generates a coffee shop version first. She uploads a photo of the latte art from her client. Nano Banana Pro builds the layout with accurate text in English. Then she says, translate the copy to Spanish. Keep the layout identical. Both versions are done in seconds. She uploads the final design again and asks, extract the headline and the coffee cup illustration on a transparent background. Now she can animate those pieces inside a simple video editor. The client thinks she hired a designer and a motion person. Later, she reuses the exact same prompt for the gym, but with new references. Photo of the dumbbells, new color inspiration, different copy, same system. That is the Polyframe design engine in action. Text frame, style frame, truth frame. This next twist is where things get wild for storytellers. Character consistency. You can feed Nano Banana Pro a single portrait shot or a stylized character you created once and say, generate 4 scenes of this same person working from a laptop on a beach, in a co-working space, at a cafe, and presenting on stage. Keep the character's face, hair, and clothing consistent. Suddenly, your thumbnails, banners, and sales pages all feature the same recognizable character. For brands, that is gold. For your own personal brand, it makes everything feel cohesive without paying for a full photo shoot. And because Nano Banana Pro can hit higher resolutions now, you are not stuck with tiny blurry graphics. Ask it for a large canvas. Use phrases like high resolution suitable for print with crisp details. Then resize down for web. You preserve sharpness instead of stretching low-quality images and hoping nobody notices. Stay with me for one more angle, because this part separates hobbyists from people who get paid. Nano Banana Pro plus Gemini 3 is not only about art. It understands space and structure. That means you can upload a rough floor plan for a home office, then say, generate a realistic visualization of this room set up for video recording, including lighting and desk placement. You get a visual guide you can copy in real life, or you upload a photo from a cooking video and ask, draw a diagram over this image labeling each light source, shadow, and reflection. Now you are learning cinematography from your favorite creators visually. You can do the same for sports tactics, classroom layouts, anything with physical space. Picture how much easier content creation becomes once this becomes your normal. Instead of guessing how to light your room or arrange your set, you let the model reverse engineer it for you. Creators get better sets, freelancers offer new services, agencies pitch visual strategy consulting instead of just design work, and beginners have a path to high-value skills without going back to school. So here is how I would start today if I was brand new. First, pick one offer. Maybe social media graphics for coaches, or multi-language restaurant menus, or YouTube thumbnail and banner bundles. Second, build one Polyframe prompt around that offer. Text frame, style frame, truth frame. Save that prompt. Third, run 3 to 5 different client scenarios through that same prompt. Different niches, different references. See how little you have to change to get powerful results. By the end of that small sprint, you will have a mini portfolio built on Nano Banana Pro plus Gemini 3, and more important, you will understand how to think like a creative director rather than just someone clicking templates. If this helped you see what is possible, do not just click away and forget it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training. And no, I am not trying to sell you Go High Level. Go experiment with the Polyframe design engine today, and I will see you in the next one.